So you are currently at Bhubaneswar, right? And you want to visit Bangalore, right? So उसने क्या बोला कि प्लेन से जाना है, ठीक है, प्लेन से जाना है। ये दिखाई दे रहा है तुमको?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any other way? Any other way?
Train.
ट्रेन से जा सकते हैं।
ट्रेन से जा सकते हैं। Any other way?
Bus.
कार रेंट पे रख के जा सकते हैं।
कार रेंट में, रेंटेड कार, राइट? Then boss, like this, right? You want to visit Bangalore from Bhubaneswar. Then what to do first? Suppose you are going through plane. What to do first? You say what to do. चिन्मयी,
सर टिकट
टिकट करना है, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
टिकट बुकिंग, then so ticket will come to your mobile or your PC, right? Ticket is booked. क्या करना है नेक्स्ट? तुमको जाना है, जिस दिन जाना है तुमको वहां तो जाओगे ना, एयरपोर्ट जाओगे। तो एयरपोर्ट कैसे जाओगे?
सर कार में।
कार में।
कौन सा कार? सबके घर में तो कार नहीं है।
सर टैक्सी।
टैक्सी, बस में, अच्छा ठीक है, बस। सपोज दैट इज मो बस इन भुवनेश्वर, मो बस इज देयर in Bhubaneswar, Mo bus is there. Then you reached at the airport, right?
Yes, sir.
You reached at the airport. Then what will you do? तुमको क्या करना है उसके बाद? टाइम हुआ, तुमको चेकअप होगा। आफ्टर दैट क्या करोगे? तुम प्लेन में बैठोगे, जाके बैठ गए। तो इतना दूर जाओगे, तुमको सपोज आधा घंटा या 1 घंटा लगेगा। तुम क्या करोगे वहां जाके? जाके क्या करोगे? तो ऐसे तो बैठोगे नहीं, क्या करोगे? सो यू विल यूज योर मोबाइल फोन और योर स्मार्टफोन। क्या करना है? आई एम गोइंग टू, लोकेशन चेंज करना है। आई एम गोइंग टू बेंगलोर। स्टेटस चेंज करना है एट व्हाट्सएप, फेसबुक। यू विल यूज व्हाट्सएप, फेसबुक, स्टेटस चेंज करना है, क्योंकि मुझे भुवनेश्वर से बेंगलोर जाना है। दोस्त लोग को बताना है कि मैं बेंगलोर जा रहा हूं। तो यू विल यूज योर स्मार्टफोन and change your status on WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta, like this. Then what will happen? You will give a message to your friend which is at Bangalore, or your relative which is at Bangalore. You have to give a text message or WhatsApp message that I will reach at suppose 10 a.m. to inform the time when you will be reached at Bangalore. ठीक है? Then what will happen? You are at Bangalore. Your friend will come because तुमने उसको पहले बता दिया था कि तुम लोग बेंगलोर जा रहे हो, तो वो भी आएगा कुछ टैक्सी लेके, फिर तुमको लेके जाएगा और उसके घर पे जाके पहुंच जाएगा, या तुम जहां जाना है, सपोज होटल बुक करोगे, जाके डेस्टिनेशन में तुम लोग पहुंच गए डेस्टिनेशन। तो क्या होगा? सो सी हियर, you are going to Bangalore from Bhubaneswar and use all these things: ticket booking, taxi booking, airport में चेकअप। then यहाँ प्लेन में बैठ के तुम क्या कर रहे हो? स्मार्टफोन यूज कर रहे हो, व्हाट्सएप, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम में तुम तुम्हारा स्टेटस चेंज कर रहे हो, तुम्हारा फ्रेंड को टेक्स्ट मैसेज भेज रहे हो, ये सब चीज कर रहे हो। फिर होटल बुकिंग भी कर रहे हो, अगेन टैक्सी बुकिंग भी कर रहे हो। ये सब चीज तुम कहाँ पे कर रहे हो? By using what? All are using. By using what?
phone,
फोन. फोन पे क्या कर रहे हो? This apps. What is this apps? So you are using what? You are using app to do all these things. To do all these things, different apps are there. So you are using the apps, isn't it? So these are nothing but the application programs. In short form, it is apps. Application
sir,
program.
it is a medium.
क्या?
Sir, it is a medium.
It is a medium. Application program. It is a medium. For what? For doing all these specific works, right? It is a medium where you are doing this specific works. So these are dedicated for or meant for specific works, specific tasks, isn't it? Because I cannot do the things which is done by this Facebook. I cannot do these things by the app. Suppose your text message app. You cannot do WhatsApp chatting through Instagram. You cannot do Instagram works using your Facebook. So for specific tasks, specific apps are there. So these are application programs. So this term program will come. This term program will come. What is this program? Because it is running in your smartphone, it is running in your PC, personal computer. So what is that? So to know all these things, what is this application program? How can we write this application program? Which language is to be used? So for all these things, we have to know the fundamentals of a computer and fundamentals of programming. And here you see at everywhere computer or computing is used everywhere, whether it is ticket reservation, whether it is taxi reservation, whether you are chatting, whether you are doing anything, you are using nowadays, you are using your computing. You are attending the class now by the help of computing. I am explaining by help of some apps. So whatever we are doing nowadays, we are using by the help of a computer. तुम लोग बोलोगे हम लोग तो मोबाइल में कर सकते हैं. So nowadays computer and mobile is nothing difference. कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं है. कंप्यूटर का डेफिनेशन चेंज हो गया है आजकल. So I am sharing something with you. Is it visible to all of you? My screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This
Sir.
computer figure is visible.
Yes, sir.
It is visible, na?
Yes, sir.
So here I have written something. You can write that also. Is it visible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Wait. So here you think you see here. So here I have written computer is an electromechanical device. In some of the book it is written that computer is an electronics device. It is also correct. So why electromechanical? I will explain. Can you explain why electromechanical? some mechanical things are there, like your motor, all these things are there. I will explain later that. That's why it is electromechanical device. You can say it is electronics device which accept data through its input devices, then process it using internally stored instructions, stores. Then what will happen? It will give the desired result or information through output devices. Through output devices. So what is that? I will explain now. Now my screen is visible. So your computer, this is your computer. Suppose this is computer. This total is a computer. You know there are so many inputs and this is output. And here something is processed. I'll show that picture also. So what is this? Now we are giving inputs, we are giving data. After processing, it gives the output in the form of information. So how can it process? By the help of some instructions. Without having instruction, can you process anything? Suppose my data is 5, my data is 6, my data is 7, my data is 10. So all these are the data, suppose, for example. So without having any instruction, can I find any type, without having any instruction, can I get some information? No. Suppose my A value is 5, my B value is 6. So after processing, I'll get some output. What is that processing? What will be processed? A and B will be processed. How it will be processed? Which process is to be done? Suppose I will say C equal to A plus B. Now you can say this is a process. This is a process. That means value of A will come, value of B will come, they will be added and they will be kept in C. That means value of A is suppose 5, value of 6 B is suppose 6, they will be added 5 plus 6, that means it will be 11, and 11 will be stored on C, that will be our output. समझ में आ रहा है? So without having instruction, we cannot process. Without having instruction, we cannot process anything. So ये instruction हम लोग को देना है किसको? कंप्यूटर को. कंप्यूटर को कुछ पता नहीं. So you have to give the instruction to the computer for do anything. Anything the computer is doing, whether you are watching movie, whether you are playing PUBG, any type of thing is there. So you are giving some instruction to the system, and as per the instruction, the system will generate the output, what you are viewing, by the help of some output devices. My screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You please write this, or I will share this to your WhatsApp number.
Yes, sir. You can share it.
It will be better, right?
Yes, sir.
So here we find 3 things. One is your data, one is your information, one is your instruction. So 3 things from this definition of a computer. Definition of computer. तुमको रट के मन याद रखना नहीं है, तुमको क्या करना है, समझ के याद रखना है, बिना रट के। रटने से कुछ नहीं होगा, ठीक है। सो क्या करेंगे, व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन नाउ? कंप्यूटर इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स डिवाइस, यू नो, it is electronics device. It will do what? Now it will accept in data, process this data, generate information. So this data is your input. So this data will be input, so it will be given to the computer by input devices. For example, you know, input devices are keyboard, your mouse.
Keyboard.
These are the best example of input device. Your microphone is also input device. You know, so many input device name. Then what will happen? You will process this data by the help of what? Instructions, set of instructions, set of instructions. You can save this screen also. You can take the screenshot of the screen, or I will give the video link to you. Then what will happen? Now this set of data is processed by the help of a set of instructions, and finally we get what? The information as the output. As the output. So definition is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This definition is clear. Can you say the definition? Gautam?
Sir, it is an electronic device that accept data and process the data to generate some information.
Very good. Any other
Yes,
type
sir.
of definition? Any other student can say? Aditya? Aditya Panda? Chinmay?
नहीं क्या जाना ना इना से टाइम रे क्लास होच
Hey, mute yourself.
इना भी सही टाइम रे क्लास
So this is the definition. It is a computer is an electronics device which can accept data through input devices, process the data by the help of set of instructions, and generate the output information for the user. Right? So this is a simple definition you can remember. Then from this definition, we got three things: data, instruction, and information. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by data? Can you say what is the definition of data? You are using the word data at so many places.
Instruction given to computer.
If it is instruction given to computer, then what is instruction? Data is not instruction. Data is given
Information.
by the help of instruction. Data is given by the help of instruction. Data is not instruction. Suppose I will ask someone to give the data about suppose Satya Swarup, right? Satya Swarup, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Suppose I will ask Gautam to give the data about Satya Swarup. So what data he will give? वो क्या मुझे देगा? सत्य स्वरूप के बारे में वो क्या मुझे बोलेगा? उसके बारे में
His
कुछ
name and
बोलना है
other
ना?
things.
उसका नाम बोल सकता है, उसका एड्रेस बोल सकता है, उसका हॉबी बोल सकता है, उसका फादर्स का नाम बोल सकता है, उसका इंटरेस्ट क्या है बोल सकता है, कौन सा कॉलेज स्कूल में पढ़ रहा है वो बोल सकता है। दैट मीन्स उसका नेम, उसका मोबाइल नंबर, उसका ईमेल आईडी, उसका फादर्स नेम, then his address, then his class, his hobby, his height, his weight, everything you can give to me if I will ask about Satya Swarup. So all this set of raw facts, all these are the facts about Satya Swarup, isn't it? So
Yes.
the name, the mobile number, the email ID, father's name, mother's name, school name, all these are the facts about Satya Swarup or not? So if I am asking something, or if I am asking to someone that give the data about a particular person, a particular thing, a particular object, then what you are saying, what the facts you are producing in front of me, all these are data. So in mathematical data, when we are going to do some process, here we are going to add two numbers, A and B. A and B को मुझे add करना है. So value of A and value of B, these are two data. These are two data. And I am adding by the help of a plus symbol, addition symbol. A plus B. Writing A plus B is an expression. C equal to A plus B. That means I am adding A plus B, then I am keeping that data in C. A and B को add करना है, whatever the result, उसको कहाँ रखना है? C में रखना है.
C में.
So ये जो command है, this is instruction. So instruction is a command to do a specific work. So what is that? So in the next page I am writing. Data means what? It is the set of or collection of raw facts. Why raw? It is not processed.
Sir, we can say information.
No, information is the second part. I will explain. So here, please be clear. Data is the raw fact. It is the collection of raw fact. It is not been processed. ये प्रोसेस नहीं हुआ है. ठीक है, मैं एग्जांपल दूंगा कैसे. Then instruction is, it is set of commands. It is the set of commands to do a specific task. For a specific task, I cannot do subtraction of A and B by writing this. I cannot do. Subtraction of A and B cannot be done by writing this, because this is specific. This is specified for addition of two numbers. This is for addition, not for subtraction. This is for addition, not for subtraction. So the instruction, I am again saying, instruction is the set of commands. Instruction is the set of commands to do a specific task. To do a specific task. Then your information. किसका डाउट था इंफॉर्मेशन में? It is the processed form of data. I am writing A equal to 5. I am writing B equal to 10. These are two data. I am writing here C equal to A plus B. So what we will find? 15 is the result. This is the information which is generated or processed from these two set of data. this set of 2 data. These are data or raw fact. 10 is not processed, 5 is not processed. How they are processed? Now they are processed by this, by the help of this instruction. And finally, what we find, that is our information. So 5 is raw, 10 is raw. When I will do 5 plus 10, it is an instruction. That means I am giving instruction, I am giving command to add 5 and 10. So what I will get, that is the 15, it is information. So it is the processed one. 15 is processed because 15 is generated by the help of addition operation with 5 and 10. 15 is generated, again I am saying 15 is generated, in this case 15 is generated by the help of addition operation, with 5 and 10, with 5 and 10. Another example. Suppose you are purchasing milk. Milkman comes to your house and give you the milk. You are purchasing milk 1 liter per day. 1 liter per day. क्या करते हैं घर में मामा, क्या करते हैं, एक कॉपी में लिख के रखते हैं, आज कितना दिया, कल कितना दिया. So amount of milk is 1 liter per day, right? तुमको पता है पर लीटर मिल्क क्या है? सपोज प्राइस इज 20 rupees per liter. So you know this. सपोज मामा लिख के रखते हैं, इस पर कितने दिन दिया हो, सपोज 25 डेज वो दिया था, 5 डेज और शटडाउन के चलते संडे को नहीं दे पाया था, सपोज. So 25 days the milkman gave you the milk. So per day 1 liter. So how many liter of milk you have consumed in this month?
25.
So 25 liters.
How do you know? How do you know? Suppose this is 2 liter. 2 liter per day. So how many liter of milk you have purchased?
So 50.
50.
50 liters.
Yes, sir.
How do you know?
So by multiplying.
Milk consumption in home 50 liters. So you are multiplying. That means you are processing. Multiplying with which? किसके साथ किसको multiply किया?
So number of days and number of liters.
Number of days 25 into
2.
2 liters.
number of liters, right? 25 into
The number of liters per day.
per day. Number of liters per day and total number of day. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So this number of or amount of milk is raw 2 liter. उसमें कुछ प्रोसेसिंग नहीं हुआ था. 2 liters 25 days, you know. इसको भी तुम कैसे पाए? ऐड कर करके एक ऐड कर करके 25 पाए, या 30 days minus 5 करके पाए, कुछ भी प्रोसेस करके सपोज 25 मिला तुमको. अभी सपोज इसके लिए तुमको 25 रहा है. So 25 days into 2 liters per day equal to 50. So here information is 50 and 25 and 2 are the data. And what is the process? What is the instruction?
Sir, here 25 into 2 is the instruction.
25, not 25 into 2. Total instruction is the money spent. Suppose in this month equal to the money spent. देखो कैसे है, money spent in this month. सपोज इसको हम x ले जाते हैं, एक वेरिएबल ले जाते हैं x इक्वल टू number of days we have consumed milk, suppose that is m, amount of milk, this is multiplication symbol, suppose amount of milk we have consumed per day, suppose that is l. So this is the instruction. You can write literal, you can write money spent in this month equal to number of total number of days into amount of milk per day, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the instruction, because this is the complete instruction, because suppose multiplied with this, then kept in what? Only तो multiply करके नहीं रखना है ना, multiply करके किसी में एक रखना है, उसको तुमको डिस्प्ले करना है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो यहाँ तुमको पता चल गया, अमाउंट ऑफ मिल्क पर डे तुमको पता था, प्राइस ऑफ मिल्क पर लीटर तुमको पता था. अभी मैं पूछूंगा, अगर 50 लीटर्स ऑफ मिल्क तुमको कंज्यूम किया है, कितने, सॉरी मनी स्पेंड भूल हो गया, सॉरी, अमाउंट ऑफ टोटल मिल्क, amount of milks consumed, this is m into l, 50 liters, amount of milk consumed equal to number of total number of days and price per this is the per day consumption of milk, per day consumption of milk into total number of days, this is 50 liters. Then suppose I will ask the money spent in this month for milk consumption in your family, then what will happen?
1,000.
So the price, so 1,000. The
That
price,
means
1,000.
price per liter.
20
Yes,
rupees into 50 liters.
Yes.
So this is the money spent. This is the money spent for milk consumption. So that is not it?
1,000 rupees.
So 1,000 rupees here, another information, and 50 liters there, another information. So I can say from a set of data, we can find different informations by different type of a process, by doing different type of a process. So total amount of milk consumed by my family in this month is calculated by the help of a number of days multiplied into amount of milk per day. We got 50. Then what will happen? The amount of milk total consumed in this month multiplied with the per liter milk, we got the total money spent in this month. Isn't it? So from a set of data, we can generate different information by different processes. Now clear? जिसका डाउट था वो क्लियर हो गया, डाटा क्या है, इंफॉर्मेशन क्या है, इंस्ट्रक्शन क्या है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So can you explain now what is data, what is information, what is instruction to anybody? Can you explain? Suppose any person will ask you that please explain me what is data, information and instruction. I am confusing in between these. So can you explain to anybody? कोई भी अगर तुमको
Yes.
पूछता है कि इंफॉर्मेशन क्या है बताओ, इंस्ट्रक्शन क्या बताओ, डाटा क्या बताओ, तुम बता सकते हो? नहीं.
Yes, sir.
नो सर और यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Sir.
एक दो स्टूडेंट बोल रहे हैं कि यस सर.
Sir, no, sir. Yes,
नो
sir.
नो सर. किसका नो सर?
Sir, Satpathy, Baladev Satpathy.
Baladev Satpathy. Then you are confused.
Yes, sir. Confused.
Data. In which person you are confused? Baladev.
Yes, sir.
In which person you are confused?
Sir. Sab.
That. Sabu Taraj. Acha, A equal to 5.
Yes.
Suppose 5, only 5. Suppose 5. Right? It is data or information? Suppose 10. It is data or information? मैं 5 को लेके कुछ किया हूं क्या? आज पर तो डेफिनेशन
Sir.
कुछ प्रोसेस किया हूं अभी तक?
No, sir.
10 को लेके कुछ प्रोसेस किया हूं अभी तक?
No, sir.
So now for this time, these 5 and 10 are data or information?
Data.
Data.
बड़ादेव समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Suppose I put a plus symbol here.
Again.
So now you say, what is this? 5 plus 10.
Become instruction.
5 plus 10 means what? 5 will be added with 10. So what is this? This means add 5 with 10. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That means I am giving some command to you. I am giving hello, Baladev.
Sir, net.
Slow hoji.
Again, sir.
I am writing here 5 plus 10. That means I am saying what? Add 5 with 10. What is this? This is a command or not? Command means I am saying that it is instruction.
Decision.
So after adding 5 with 10, what will find? What will find?
Information.
That is 15.
Information.
So this is information.
The sound asuni, sir. Sir,
Sound
voice. Sir, voice clear se siguni.
Wait. Now it is audible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
ताल तार नेट प्रॉब्लम थी वो कौन? बाकी सबको सुनाई देता?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here I have already explained something. Collection of raw facts and characteristic having some implicit meaning about an entity or object is called data. Name, height, weight, roll number, mark, all these things, data about a student. Data may be linguistic, that means alphabetical, numerical, alphanumeric, audible data, visual data, or audio visual data. How? Suppose I am recording a music. So I have to give some audio signal through my microphone or not to the computer. So at that time, this is audible data. So after processing, suppose I am adding some extra effect, I am adding some music to this voice message. Then what type of video or audio I will produce? That means voice with music, they are concatenated with each other. Then what I will find, that is the information. So in this way, this is instruction. Command or set of commands to perform any task is called instruction. Suppose add A, B. I am writing some other language codes. Then the information is the processed form of data is called information. Total number of students in the class, suppose I am asking total number of students in the class. The average mark of a student, suppose you have 6 subjects or 5 subjects. You have secured some, suppose you have mathematics, you have physics, you have chemistry, you have biology, you have computer science. So suppose in mathematics, suppose you have secured 90. In physics, suppose you have secured 85. Suppose in chemistry, you have secured 70. In biology, you have secured, suppose 80. In computer science, suppose you secured 90. So this is the raw fact. This is the raw fact. So suppose I'll ask, what is the total mark? What is your total mark? So you have to add all these. You have to add all these things. Isn't it? Then suppose I will ask, what is the average mark? Then what will happen? So total mark divided by
Total number of students.
total number of subject.
Subject.
So when I am asking about average, when I am asking about total, so you are doing some calculations. You are doing some calculations. So calculation means there are some instruction, isn't it? Without instruction, can you calculate anything? No.
Yes, sir.
So after calculation, what you find, that means calculation is a process or not? So when we apply this calculation process to your raw marks, what you get, that is the information or not? So average mark
Yes,
is the
sir.
information, total mark is an information. So all of you clear about this data, information and instruction?
All right. Yes, sir.
All of you clear about the definition of computer?
Yes, sir.
It is an electronics device which accepts data by the help of input devices, process this data by the help of instructions, and give the output result as the information. This is the simplest definition of the computer. Right?
Yes, sir.
देन किसके मन में आ सकता है, हम जो मूवी देखते हैं कंप्यूटर में, वो तो कोई कैलकुलेशन नहीं है, वो तो एक प्रोसेस होता है वहां. हम जो मूवी देखते हैं वो कैसे इंफॉर्मेशन हुआ, वो कैसे प्रोसेस होता है, दिस विल बी एक्सप्लेन इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. Suppose we are watching movie, what type of process, how many number of processes are being executed in the PC or your mobile, क्या क्या होता है उसमें. हम मूवी देखते हैं, बीच बीच में बफरिंग होता है, गोल गोल घूमता है कंप्यूटर का स्क्रीन, हम बोलते हैं कि ये बफरिंग है. वो सब क्या चीज है, हम जब मूवी देखते हैं वो कैसे कंप्यूटेशन हुआ. So I will explain in the next class. It is a very interesting subject and which is used in each and every field of your life. You go to any field, each and every step of your life you are using computer. So how, I will explain in the next class, right? So if
Okay,
any
sir.
doubts, then you please may ask. If any doubt you have, you please ask. जितना पढ़ाया गया उसमें अगर कुछ डाउट्स है, किसी का भी अगर डाउट्स है तो तुम लोग पूछ सकते हो. एंड वट एवर द नोट्स आई विल गिव यू टू द व्हाट्सएप नंबर. ठीक है. अगर तुम लोग बोले नहीं सर यहाँ डिटेक्ट कीजिए, नहीं तो यहाँ लिख दीजिए, तो मैं लिख दूंगा. अगर तुमको नहीं घर में जाके लिखना है अच्छे से बैठ के, तो I will provide the note to you. You can write that.
Okay, sir.
So which will be comfortable for you? You please tell me.
So you send the notes in the WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir. You send the notes.
Yes, sir.
So I will send the complete note, and for the next
Yes,
class
sir.
you have to prepare from that note. And
Okay,
please
sir.
ask some
Yes,
cross
sir.
question to me. Right? In the next
Alright,
class,
sir.
you have to ask the cross question to me. So that what will happen, the class will be more interesting.
And give
Because if the class will be monotonous, I am only telling to you, I am only explaining, and you are not interacting with me, then it will not be interesting one. Right? So मैं अभी इसको बंद करता हूँ.
okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.